Hello, you beautiful angels, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Basuri Shukla, and I am here to help you manifest the most magical, magnificent, and mind blowing 2025. This video is a start of a free course, a blueprint, if you will, that has transformed my life over the past 5 years. I have used this exact process to manifest my dream apartment, not just once, but 3 times. My dream car, my dream trips to places like London, Paris, Los Angeles, Vegas, and so many other places. But beyond the material blessings, this method has completely shifted my relationships, helped me heal on so many deeper levels, and made every year better than the last. If you are ready to up level your life, grab your notebook, take a deep breath, and let's get this party started. Before we dive into the steps, I want you to start with a Reiki incantation to align your energy for this journey. I am assuming this is going to be about 9 to 10 videos, but this is everything you need to know, everything you must do at the end and beginning of a new year. And I promise there isn't any other resource that you need to invest into. If you invest your time and your energy into this free program, this free series that I'm offering this as a gift on YouTube, I promise you're going to have such an amazing 2025 because you have created the foundation that you require to be able to manifest the year beyond your wildest dreams. So, before we get started, take a step back, just relax, close your eyes. And I want you to say it out loud with me, okay? So, I'm gonna Reiki you, I'm gonna send this amazing, beautiful energy for this next couple of videos for you to dive into this video. And whenever you come and leave after this video, you are going back home with so much value, so much transformation, and so much so that you see yourself changing and being prepared for the next year. All right. So I just want you to say along with me. I allow this divine interaction into my energy field. May it uplift every area of my life for my highest good. Take a deep breath in and let it out with a big sigh. I want to continue with the incantation that I have for you. So this is something that you can either say out loud or just listen to it. I would suggest listen to it. Place both of your hands on your heart. Dear God, Goddess, Universe, angels, energies of the highest good. My intention for this next year is to release old paradigms, unhelpful beliefs, and emotional blocks. Let me let go of what no longer serves me, past, present, and future. Open my heart, open my mind, and my soul to miracles that this new year is about to bring me. May this year bring endless opportunities, divine blessings, and magical coincidences and beautiful synchronicities. May I spread the light into those around me, creating a high vibrational life for myself and the world. This or something better. And so it is. Take a pause for a moment of silence. And then when you're ready, open your eyes. Trust that your higher self, the universe, have heard you. To make space for your dream life, we need to clear out the old. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper on top of a crumbling foundation. It won't work, right? And that's why we are starting with the big cleanse. And this cleanse focuses on four areas, that is your mind, your body, space, and soul. So, depending on the whenever you are doing this series, maybe it is at the end of the year or you are doing it in the beginning of 2025, and it also doesn't matter whenever you're doing it. If you want some sort of like a spiritual reset, this is how you go about it. Now you start with the body, so you create a short detox routine that works for you. My go-to rituals are juice cleanses, intuitive movements, lymphatic massages, steam saunas, and deep breathing every morning and night. And I want you to commit to it at least 5 to 7 days of caring for your body. It is your vessel for all the magic you are manifesting. Next is mind. At the end of every year, I do a mind dump where I write down everything that frustrated me, that hurt me, something somebody said, negative comments, mistakes, situations, or even things that I regret saying or doing, or it is the other way around. Anything that made me feel unworthy, made me feel less, made me feel not enough. I write it everything down. And once it's all on the paper, I want you to tear it apart and burn it in a safe space. And as the paper turns into ash, so do the cords holding you to those experiences energetically. Next thing on our cleansing list is your space. Time to declutter your physical environment. Clean your home, closets, kitchen, and cabinets. Donate or discard items that no longer serve you. And here's a little tip. Whenever I'm clearing out stuff, I always ask myself, does the 2025 version of me, the one that is living her dream life, her next level abundant reality, is she still wearing or using this? Does that version of me still need this? And if it's not a whole body yes, it's time to go. Last thing on our cleansing list is soul. The most transformative energies are gratitude and forgiveness. I want you to write a list of at least 20 to 25 things or people you need to forgive, including yourself if necessary. Actually, it's a must. We always get ourselves into positions that we need forgiveness from. We need to forgive ourselves from, right? So once your list is ready, listen to the next video. It is a forgiveness meditation where I guide you through a Ho'oponopono and cord cutting process. This is the most important step. The next video, the meditation, and I'm going to be creating this in a list, like a playlist on YouTube, so you don't have to worry about scrambling through the videos on my channel. It will be all ready for you. You just have to go through them, a video after video after video after video, and it is all curated for your convenience, right? For me, the best order is space, mind, soul, and body. Clearing your space helps clear your mind. Clearing your mind makes it easy to focus on forgiveness. And once your emotions and your spirit are aligned, cleaning the body feels natural, effortless, and very easy, right? But obviously, I would invite you to feel free to modify as it suits you. I want you to trust your intuition here, okay? All right, my loves, that is the first step in setting yourself up for the most magical year yet. Trust me, this process works. I'll see you in the next part. I'm literally giving you a step by step process to follow. And I promise you, you do not need anything else to prepare and align for the new year. We don't do the same BS, new year, new me. We do new year, better me over here. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me as a new creator. If you feel generous this holiday season, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Spirit Led Babe. I exchange of gratitude. I promise to keep continuing delivering content that helps you transform and elevate your life. Also, if you have been feeling the weight of heavy energy, like you have attracted some sort of evil eye, jealousy, or even envy throughout the year, it is so important to cleanse yourself and learn how to protect yourself. Evil Eye Alchemy is your ultimate heavy duty protection program. It's not only helping you to clear old stagnant energies, but also empower you to shield yourself against negativity, jealousy, ill intentions from others. For this holiday season, I made it ridiculously accessible with a special discount because I want as many people as possible to experience this transformation and protection, right? And you can find all the details in the links in the description. And if you have any questions about Evil Eye Alchemy, feel free to drop a comment below or DM me directly. I am at Spirit Led Babe on all social platforms. Let's dive into 2025 with clarity, protection, and an unstoppable energy. Until next time, angels, I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep shining your light and manifesting your dreams. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.